Oh, this is a yard. Sadly the old Kingston fly is back in here again, all derelict and unloved. Poor old Russell can't even come and polish it anymore, thanks to Mr. Bryce and his yeah, we need to get hold of these 2 locomotives and the 7 carriages and get it all up and running again as soon as possible. The longer it sits here rusting away, the worse it's going to get. I'll just pan in here and we'll have a look at the rods on 778. Yeah, look at that, looking all rusty and forlorn. It's been 2 years now since these had steam in them. .795 was the one that was running up till recently. Not sure what's happened with that. Oh, that's not very good. Smoke box door open. No cap on the top. Yeah, things will just deteriorate. Oh, another soda of the Kingston flyer. Another owner bites the dust. Back on the market again for, he wants 2.5 million for it. That's including the station and the distance. 14k of track to Fairlight, 7 wooden carriages and a turntable, water vat and a shed full of spare parts and some wagons down by the wharf, but we won't go down there today.